I received this Auxbeam portable jump starter as a gift, and in this video I'm unboxing it and showing how everything connects and works. This is a 3500 amp portable jump pack designed for 12-volt vehicles, and it's rated for engines up to 8-liter gas or 4-liter diesel. It also includes a built-in air compressor and flashlight, so it's more than just a jump starter. It's basically a multi-use emergency car tool. Starting with the unboxing, everything is packed neatly and organized. Inside, you get the jump starter unit, the jumper cable clamps, the air hose attachment, charging accessories, and the storage case. I like that everything has its own place, so it's easy to keep organized in your car. The main unit feels solid and well built. It's compact enough to store in your trunk or glove compartment, but it still feels sturdy and durable. The display buttons are clearly labeled, so it's easy to understand what each function does. In this video, I'm showing how the jumper cables connect to the unit. The clamps plug directly into the jump starter and lock into place securely. The connection feels tight and stable, not loose or wobbly, which is important for something like this. I'm also showing how the air hose attaches. The hose connects really easily. Once it's secured, it feels solid and ready to use. Having a built-in compressor is really convenient because it means you don't have to carry a separate tire inflator. Another nice feature is a built-in flashlight with 3 modes. It's a simple addition, but really useful for nighttime situations or emergencies when you need extra light. The overall design is very user-friendly. Everything is labeled, the ports are easy to access, and you don't have to guess how anything connects. Even if you've never used a jump starter before, it's pretty straightforward. I also like that this combines multiple tools in one device: jump starter, air compressor, and flashlight, so you're not storing several separate emergency tools in your vehicle. Overall, this was a really thoughtful gift. The Auxbeam jump starter feels well made, easy to use, and practical to keep in your car for everyday peace of mind. The connections are simple, the accessories are organized, and it's a convenient all-in-one emergency tool to have on hand.